In this video, we'll learn how to play the G minor scale with both hands, right and left. Then in the next video, we'll practice an exercise with the metronome at a tempo of 50. Here's how the fingers are numbered. I've added the finger numbers to make it easier for you to practice. When you place your hand on the piano, don't keep it rigid. Rotate your hand easily so that your smaller fingers can easily hit the keys, like a hammer hitting a nail. Don't keep your hand fixed in one position. My advice is to not rush. Practice slowly and carefully. Make sure every single finger touches the keys smoothly and effortlessly without any discomfort. That's it for this video. In the next one, we'll put these scales into action with a metronome exercise at tempo 50. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on new piano lessons and exercises. Happy practicing!